Good morning, difference makers. Today is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day. Try to tell somebody one way that you can help the Earth today. If you haven't already done so, please also do the daily check-in. I notice I still have Hungry Caterpillar yoga on here, so I will change that before Wednesday, before you get the slides. Today, you are going to be doing another Freckle inquiry-based learning. This week, it's focused on drag racing and using those fractions on a number line. For reading, you're going to be synthesizing your notes or combining the information together that you read from your book last week and your book yesterday. For writing, you're going to start to write another literary essay today. And then for science, there's an optional activity to do the Traits in Outer Space worksheet or read one of the other space readings about women or astronauts. Today is Wacky Wednesday. Make up a silly dance, make up a silly song, record yourselves, send it to me. I'd love to see them. And then if you're willing, I will share them with our friends. For reading, you're going to begin by watching this video, which is from Mrs. Weisbrod. Then you're going to synthesize your notes. Synthesize is just a fancy way of saying combine. I want you to look at your notes and see what patterns or repeated ideas do you see that you learned in your facts about your subtopic in Book 1 and Book 2. And you might even also ask yourselves, what does this help you learn that these ideas are repeated in these multiple books, or can you grow a bigger idea from it? My challenge for you, because let's be honest, that's a little simple to just look for commonalities between your notes, is to pick another subtopic and try to research and take some notes on that in your book as well. So challenge yourselves to do a little bit extra. Again, I have the text structure video located on here if for any reason you need that, as well as our EPIC class code and EPIC book collections. Here is my reading sample for the day. It's just to show you a clear picture of my notes from Book 1, my notes from Book 2, and I've highlighted different things that all match one another. So I have underwater, dive far, shrimp, krill, fish. Shrimp, krill, fish, predators, hunt for food, hunt schools of fish. So anything that kind of repeated itself in my notes, I highlighted and was able to see how those books kind of combined the different information together, as well as see the different information that's not highlighted that each book presented or taught me. As always, this week, I am keeping posted the last chapter of Because of Winn-Dixie. We will be doing something with that next week. For math today, you're going to start by watching this math video, which is kind of a reteach of lesson 7.5 a little bit in the beginning, but then it teaches you how to use that information and prepare you to get ready for today's inventory sheet. There's also an extra math video regarding fractions on a number line that will also help you review. So again, if you are struggling with this concept, I promise this is one of the harder things in third grade that we do. So watching the extra videos is helpful. Then there's the drag racing video so you can actually understand what today's inventory sheet is all about. This is the video exactly from Freckle. It's only a minute or so long. Please watch that. And then you have your inventory sheet for the day. Your questions you're going to be doing are A, where are 1/3, 1/4, and 1/2 located on a number line? So you'll need to show me that. Where on the course should the speed sensors be placed? And you'll need to mark their locations. And the bonus question is, you are thinking of placing another speed sensor 3/4 of the way to the finish line. Where would this sensor be located? Next is writing. Today you're going to take your information that you've been filling out all week from those shoes and you're going to pick another literary essay. We will be starting our essay today, working on it tomorrow, and finishing it on Friday. please, 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 please do not write the whole essay in one day, because each video today, tomorrow, and Friday are meant to help you write the best essay you can. This is new and not new at the same time, but it's always good to watch the video that helps teach you, and then you know what to expect in your own writing. Video to plan and start your essay. That is where you're going to start. If you would like, I have also uploaded Miss Er's video that introduced you to literary essays last week. You're going to need to pick one of the questions. Please try to challenge yourselves and pick a different question than you did last week. However, you might want to choose one of the 4 square boxes that maybe you have the most information colored in on, or you highlighted the most text evidence in those shoes in general. There is the organizer that you're going to be filling out again, and then you're going to start writing your essay. Again, I highlighted the word begin. The organizer and the essay paper for you to type on will be available on Google Classroom if you'd like to do it online. Of course, you're welcome to print out the organizer, write your essay on paper, and email it to me step by step as well. And science. So this is the Traits in Space worksheet I recommended today, and these are the First Women and the Astronauts reading that I also recommended. And as always, you can enjoy your virtual field trip to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. If you do this, please share it on Flipgrid. You guys have not been sharing very much, so I haven't really gotten the chance to see if you're enjoying the field trips. Do you want me to keep posting them? Should we try something else? I am thinking about something for 2 weeks from now, but that doesn't really help you this week or next week. So let me know, keep your videos, give me your feedback. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm here if you have any questions. See ya!